Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth. If you just joined me, please, and you like this kind of content, I'm doing laundry, I'm doing cleaning motivation, let me just say I am doing home content. My content is basically at home, no luxurious, nothing, no trips, but home content. So today I'm going to do laundry. It's basically folding and ironing in this video. So please enjoy this content, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to this channel, and put on that bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. So guys, like I always mention, I always fold my laundry right away. If I couldn't, it will stay in a basket for some days if I don't have time. So yeah, but I get struggles when I have to use those clothes because they will be shrinked. Laundry that stays in a basket shrinks a lot more. So I try by all means to fold it right on the day that I did laundry plus spacing. So guys, if you have your laundry basket on your corner or somewhere, just take it and let's motivate each other by folding together.
Be quiet, I hear the thunder that comes from far away. It's like a noise in my head. Oh, this world hurts, this world hurts. It cuts you deep and leaves the sky. Oh, this world hurts, this world hurts. It cuts you deep and leaves the sky. We need to get out. 'Cause things fall apart and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. 'Cause things fall apart and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. We need to get out of here.
winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was you.
I really like to button my shirts when ironing them, because in that way I think it saves me time also. I just iron in front and at the back, then go to the arms, the front and the back of the arm, and I will just fold it like that, because I've realized if I iron it unbuttoned, it takes time. I don't know if it's just me, but I think for me it takes time, and considering the kind of iron that I'm using, I think for me it takes time and it misuses my gas, because I am using a gas. I was ironing in the afternoon, hence the lighting looking like this. So yeah, it was in the afternoon, Sunday.
All I wanted was you. All I wanted was you. Christmas cheer and drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while.
I always wipe my iron before putting it on fire, and if it gets too hot, the clothes get stuck. It burns the clothes and gets stuck on the iron. What I do, I just put on sunlight, smear the sunlight on the surface of the iron so that it can go smooth again, and wrap it on a cloth so that it can go smooth again.
Since I've been to that little town called home, pine tree dressed up with every ornament we got, and stockings hung and overflowing from the top. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was you. 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 And I hear
And another thing why I button my shirts is because I don't want them to hang towards the floor. I just manage it like that so that it doesn't touch the floor.
all I wanted was you. Feel my heart melt. All I wanted was you. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling, 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 falling,
The only thing that I'm forced to iron is the uniform, because that you can miss. And if I feel energetic, I will take 1 or 2 shirts for him and iron too. But as adults, we iron as we go.
I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling.
See, I don't stress a lot about ironing. I'm done. 4 shirts, we are cool. I've come to the end of the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I love you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.